Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This is the crew cab with a bunch of little, not aftermarket, but nice little accessories, including this running step here. Do have the multi-pro tailgate. That step on in. Well, there's the keys for it. There we go. Now that you're back here, you can see your virtual rear view mirror right here, as well as your bed camera. Really nice truck. This one's basically as fully loaded as you can get in an AT4. Has the 6.2, all the GM accessories. Just overall, a wicked nice truck. Now this one just got shipped to us, so we don't have the actual sticker, so I can't tell you what this one's sticker's for. But expect it to be right around 60,000, give or take. Another neat feature I've yet to see in another truck. That's right, it's a safe in the glove compartment. Of course, it is lockable. That is pretty cool. That was also pretty loud. So if you hear that moving around, like over bumps and stuff, that's exactly what it is. If you optioned a sunroof, it would be right here. That's what that's for, in case any of you are curious. Let's go ahead and take a drive. The 6.2 is really a sweetheart of a motor. In all honesty, this is what the Raptor should have been. NA V8, just brute amount of torque and power. This is like the Raptor that's not a Raptor. I'm also pretty sure this has the performance package, which comes with a cold air intake and a catback exhaust, just due to the tone of this truck. Now, I have not driven an AT4 in probably 2-3 months, so this might be the stock exhaust, but with the amount of burbles, I think it's a catback. This is probably my favorite truck I've driven in a long time. In terms of kick down, let me just, well, we're doing 20 miles an hour. Not bad at all. This also has forward collision warning, so if you were to, that truck were to slam on its brakes and I were to just keep driving normally, it would pop up with a warning. Let me see if I can actually get it to activate here. So I'm not sure if you saw it, but it flashed up on the heads-up display saying, hey, there's an object coming up. Also rumbles your seat as well. That way if you're, well, nowadays people just look down at their phones and drive. You'll be like, oh, what was that? And then the flashing red light. All is supposed to make you look up and slam on the brakes. I do believe if you wait long enough, it will apply braking for you. But it's really not good to rely on that system because sometimes it will just use the braking to minimize the collision. So it's not gonna completely stop you in all scenarios. If it's snowy or anything like that, it's not a guarantee, hey, this is gonna stop you in case, a car in front of you was stopped. It's just there as a safety precaution. Oh, I love this truck. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.